Hello everyone, I, Gini Bharadwaj, welcome you all to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashit in Amrit Vachan.
शैले शैलेन माणिक्यं मौक्तिकं न गजे गजे साधवो न हि सर्वत्र चंदनम न वने वने। अर्थात जिस प्रकार हर पर्वत में मणि नहीं होती और हर एक हाथी मुक्ता नहीं होता, उसी प्रकार सज्जन भी सभी स्थानों पर नहीं होते और हर वन में चंदन नहीं होता। अमृत वचन। कर्म भले ही सुख न ला सके, परंतु बिना कर्म के सुख नहीं मिलता। धन्यवाद।
Let's have a look at the headlines of the past week.
A unique campaign Know Me program launched in Bhikhi. Sharda Sarvitkari Chandigarh paid tribute on the martyrdom day of 9th Guru Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Meetings of principals, parents and students were held in schools under Sarvitkari Super 100. On the occasion of Constitution Day, Pradeep Vishnoi of Patiala said that we should be aware of our duties before our rights. The saints who came from Rajasthan in the Sanjivalta program welcomed in Jalandhar, Dinanagar and Barnala. Gurpreet, a student of Sunam Vidya Mandir, honoured for her amazing performance in skating. Yoga workshop organised in Malot and Ram Darbar sponsored by Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Nutritious food activity organised in Rampura Fool Sarvitkari. Upcoming plans made in monthly principal meetings of Bhua and Moga Vibhag. Masik Dakshita Varg held in Begobal Taragad, Sadhu Ashram, Sangrur and Dinanagar. Science exhibition at Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir, Jaito. Annual sports function organised in Abohar and Nabha while preparations are going on in Dulowal. Question forums concluded at 40D Chandigarh, Jaito and Bhua.
Now, the news in detail.
A unique campaign has been started by the Environment Department of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Bhikhi CBSE. Under this campaign, a laminated QR will be replaced on each tree of school. The code will be generated and installed. As soon as a person scans the code with his mobile, useful information about the related tree is available to him. This work has been completed on some trees. To do this work, some students of different classes are selected and they are asked to collect information about the related plants in QR. The task of making the code was given in the form of a project. Later, the collected information was checked by the environment head teacher after QR. The work was done to put the code on the tree concerned. In this regard, the principal of school, Shri Gagandeep Parashar, said that soon this information about the project will also be sent to the district officials. The students of Sharda Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Sector 40D Chandigarh made charts, posters on the martyrdom day of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and paid tribute to Guruji. Director Shri B.S. Kanwar Ji and Principal Archana Nagraj Ji, while encouraging the students, remembered Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Under Sarvitkari Super 100, meetings of principals, parents and students were held at 40D Chandigarh, Shri Surendra Kumar Vidya Mandir, Chokran and Sarhand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir. According to the news received, all the students are happy and they are getting their attendance regular in these classes. They also keep in touch with their parents from time to time. They have complete information about their children which they are completely satisfied with. It will be possible for us to demand our rights only when we know our duties before our rights. These words were said by Pradeep Vishnoi, principal of Prem Dham Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Patiala, on the occasion of Constitution Day. According to the news received, various programs were organized on the auspicious occasion of Indian Constitution Day in schools like Chandigarh 40D, Chandigarh 43B, Kharota, Dinanagar, Patiala, Mohali, etc. The teachers and students of Shri Kulwant Rai Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir 43B, Chandigarh received certificates by participating in the program related to reading the preamble of the Constitution through online medium. Along with this, certificates were also obtained by the students by participating in the online question forum. Saints from Rajasthan were welcomed in the Sanjivalta program in Jalandhar, Dinanagar and Barnala. Teachers and students of all these schools were present on this occasion. In this program, the statue of Lord Shri Krishna, which was gifted by Saint Guru Ravidas Ji to Mirabai Ji's sitar and Charan Paduka, were the center of attraction. All these holy things were brought by the saints from Rajasthan. They inspired them to unite by separating from caste, high and low discrimination. Gurpreet, a student of class 9th of Sri Surajkund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sunam, won the gold medal in the 500 and 1000 meter roller skating race in the 23rd district level roller skating championship. 55th state level concluded in Mohali from November 11 to 14. Representing district Sangrur in Punjab roller skating championship, he illuminated the name of his parents and school all over Punjab by winning several medals in 500 meter roller skating race and gold medal in 1000 meter race. Principal Rajesh Kumar honored Gurpreet Sharma with a medal and a memento. Yoga workshop was organized in the program of Sanskriti Mahotsav at Seth Indrabhan Taneja Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malod and Sri Hazarilal Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Ram Darbar Chandigarh. The children participated with great enthusiasm and did other type of activities such as Sanskrit shloks, yoga, etc. It is noteworthy that these cultural workshops have been sponsored by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Nutritious food activity was organized under the guidance of Principal S.K. Maliks at Lala Kasturi Lal Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir. The students of class 1st to 6th participated in this activity. All the children brought saag and makke ki roti and sweet potato for lunch. All the children thoroughly enjoyed this activity. Along with reviewing the previous programs completed in the monthly principal meetings of Bhua and Moga Vibhag, there was open brainstorming on the upcoming plans. 100% attendance of principals was there in these meetings. Special discussion took place on the plans of Azadi Ke Amrit Mahotsav and Golden Jubilee Year of Education Committee. Monthly efficiency class workshop was conducted at Begowal Taragad, Sadhu Ashram Sangrur and Dinanagar. In this, the whole program was completed in 4 sessions. The entire planning of these skills classes was made by teachers. Similarly, teachers did all the work related to class. Science exhibition was organized at Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir Jaito on 27th of November. Students made different types of models in this exhibition. The parents appreciated the models made by the students. The judges of this exhibition were Sri Man Gudarshan Jain Ji, Sri Chandar Mohan Ji, Sri Lavi Singla Ji. The students who got place in this exhibition were also awarded. On 25th of November, 29th annual sports function was organized at Sports Complex, Moti Bagh, Dayanand Public School, Pandusar Nabha, while the annual sports prize distribution function was also organized at Sri Roshan Lal Jain Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Abohar, in which all the students participated in the same manner participated in various races. On the other hand, preparations for annual sports are going on in full swing at Dulowal Vidya Mandir. Question forum competitions were organized on various occasions at 40D Chandigarh, Jaito and Bhua Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, in which students participated with full enthusiasm. Ranked students were also honored by giving prizes by the principals. Now, one photo, one news. Temple paper cutting and calligraphy competition organized in Sarvitkari Keshav Vidya Niketan Primary Wing, Jalandhar. Workshop of moral and spiritual education organized in Khanpur Vidya Mandir. The pledge of Mera Samarpan Rose was taken by distributing Ganga water in Dinanagar. NCC Day celebrated in Rampura Phool and plantation also done. Career counseling done in Begowal Taragarh. A one-day workshop for class 10th and plus 2 concluded in Malerkotla. Science workshop organized in Morinda. Haryal Vidya Mandir Managing Committee meeting concluded. Now, presenting the beautiful presentation of Nangal Vidya Mandir under our Vidya Mandir series.
हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन। धन से मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से, धन से मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, आराधन राष्ट्र आराधन। अंतर से मुख से कृति से निश्चल हो निर्मल मति से, श्रद्धा से मस्तक नत से, हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन, हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन,
Now, let us see the beautiful presentation of a student of Sharda Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Chandigarh.
Today is International Day for Biodiversity 2021. This year, theme of biodiversity is We are the part of solution. So plant more trees, control pollution and save animal because it is very important to keep our environment healthy. Thank you.
That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.